So here is a list of SAT words, right? So I didn't have this as one of the things that they can sign up for and demonstrate. Of course, they all recognized the possibilities. And Maya here volunteered to test herself, push herself to pick some 20 SAT words out of the 300, 400, 500 and apply the techniques and learn it. And I'll let Maya first demonstrate and then maybe speak about the technique that she used later after you're done, all right? So here is a list. Parent, I'm going to hand it over to you. So there is this page here and then there is this page here, right? Wow. You can either choose a word from this page or this page and ask her the meaning, right? And she'll be able to do it. Who wants to volunteer? Are you a parent? All right, Manu's mom, can you do the honors for us, please? Pick any word.
Gambit.
Gambit means to take a risk.
You can keep going, or you can pass it on, or maybe one parent can just take it and ask randomly.
Copious. Copious means too much or enough.
Yeah, maybe we'll keep the notebook there, and then you can just go back and forth instead of passing on the notebook.
Elocution.
That means public speaking.
Yeah, you can just randomly say.
Gambit.
She already asked that.
Oh, she did? Exalt.
Exalt means to glorify.
Gloomy.
Oh, no, that's okay. Dour means gloomy.
So yes, so she was able to then connect the meaning back to the word, right? Very good.
Okay.
Dour, D-O-U-R-E means gloomy. So what your son told her was the meaning, and then she was able to recall the word.
Yeah. Diffident.
That means timid.
Fetter.
To restrain.
Can I do the other way too?
Yeah. The meaning, they're going to tell you the meaning you're going to tell them.
Enthusiastic.
Ebullience.
Gap.
Hiatus.
Group of animals.
Bevy.
Hard to understand.
Abstract.
Abate.
To lessen the value.
Agog.
Excited.
Friendship.
Camaraderie.
Capious.
Yeah, too much or enough.
Discourage.
To deter.
Edge.
Brink.
Cataract.
Waterfall.
A large waterfall.
Yeah.
Baleful.
Threatening.
Edge.
Brink.
So like you can see, she can keep going
Yeah.
on and on and on and on. You do it any which way, random, back, forth, front page, forth, back page. You saw the outcome, right? So just for the parents, how you were able to do it. Can you take one example and explain them, please?
For example, agog. I would think of the first word that comes to my mind. So I thought of eggnog. So I would imagine somebody getting very enthusiastic about drinking eggnog. And I also can recite these in order as well. And using that, I use the 100 diamonds. So I would link hat to abate and its definition. So I went through like that. And so I can also do it in one.
All right, great job. Very good, Maya. You know, we see children struggle to learn SAT words for hours, weeks, sometimes months, and still feel very anxious and stressful. But did you see any stress on Maya's face? Did you see her anxious or fearful, like we don't know what's going to be asked? And your son asked her, told her the meaning gloomy, and yet she was able to recall Daur, right? D-O-U-R-E. So that's the interconnectedness. The neurons, the neural paths are opened up so well, and the clarity with which these fundamentals have seeped in, that is going to be the lifelong skill and capability the children have.